All right, so welcome to this class, and today I'm going to be teaching you the rally base rally and the rally base drop concepts. Okay, so if you are watching this video, trust me, you are in the right place. Okay, and you're going to be learning how to catch continuation setups, and you're going to be learning how you can also identify reversal setups. Okay, just in case. All right, so I'm going to be showing you the rally base rally and the rally base drop concept. All right. Now, just right before that, I'm currently on this XAU buy, all right, and then this analysis, or rather this signal also was sent to my VIP group. Okay, you can see it. It was sent to my VIP group. I told them set the buy limit on gold. This was the setup, and currently we are triggered, and we are currently in profit as I speak. So let's see how it goes, okay? Let's see how this trade goes. But then currently back to what I was talking about, okay? The rally base rally and the rally base drop. Now, it's a very, very effective approach, pattern, or strategy, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be using XAUUSD to explain this approach. All right. Now, what is the rally base rally and what is the rally base drop concept talking all about? All right. Now, whenever you are in a trending market, all right, just take for instance, you have a runner, okay, an athlete who is running, all right, and then he's been running for like 2 hours, maybe. Now he needs some time to catch his breath. All right. He needs some time to catch his breath. So when he catches his breath, he is able to rest and is able to gain more strength to continue running. Okay. And he's eventually going to do better than somebody who maybe just runs without resting. The person who just runs without resting might get exhausted most of the time. All right. Now, same thing with the market. Okay. Whenever you actually find out that the market is trending, okay, let's say maybe the market has been giving you very, very massive impulsive moves. Okay. Now, that impulsive moves will need to take a break at some point. All right. That impulsive moves that the market has been taking will need to take a break at some point. Now, that break it's taking is not that it wants to uh maybe not continue the rally. Sometimes it's taking that break just so that it can break out, okay, and continue so that it can rest, get enough momentum, and then it breaks out. All right. Now, one thing you must know that pushes the market is liquidity. All right. So whenever you get to find out that the market has been rallying for a while and then it stops and start consolidating, it is gathering momentum to make the next move. So right now I'm going to be showing you on the charts, okay, how this pattern or movement actually forms. Okay. Now you can actually use this on you can use this setup, or rather you can see it on any time frame. Okay. Don't forget, I've always told you guys, and if you've been following me quite closely, I've always been telling you that price is fractal. What this basically means is that whatever happens on the higher time frame also can happen on the lower time frame, and whatever pattern you see that forms on the lower time frame can also occur on the 1 hour time frame, or on the higher time frame rather. Okay. Now currently, even as I speak to you, we have a rally based rally currently forming up on what is it called, on XAUSD. Okay. Now what is that thing? Look at it here. You see this movement. You see all this. You see all this that's going on here. You see all this consolidation. This is forming a base. Okay, it's forming a base. Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually trade this base in 2 ways. Okay, how you can trade this base in 2 ways. Now, let's take for instance, we have a rally, okay, a rally base, and let's assume maybe a rally is coming up next. I'm going to show you how you can also differentiate between a rally base rally and a rally base drop. What I mean is I'm going to show you how you can actually know when there is a higher possibility of the market reversing. Okay, now this is how you can actually take the rally based rally kind of setup. Okay, now let's take for instance now. Okay, sorry, I didn't want to do that. Let's take for instance you have a rally base already forming, and then you want to take entries for what is it called, for the next rally going on. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of the ICT knowledge. Okay, if you've heard of accumulation, manipulation, distribution, okay, you can actually apply it here. Now this is the base. Okay, one thing you must know if you trade liquidity is that above this high we have liquidity, and below whatever is going on right here, we still have liquidity. Okay, just have that at the back of your mind that above there we have liquidity and below there we still have liquidity. Okay, now how then do you get to take such kind of setups? All right, now usually price, or rather following the theory of the accumulation, manipulation, distribution, like the name implies, accumulation, what comes next? A manipulation. Okay, usually price wants to go the direction it came from, but it needs liquidity to fuel that movement. So instead of price maybe we're expecting this movement that is going up here, you end up seeing pricing doing something like this. It grabs liquidity and then it goes on. Okay, it grabs liquidity and then it buys up. Now, it actually happened here on gold, and that was how I was able to get my buy entry. Okay, you see the money, you see accumulation happening here, or the base rather. We have the rally, I mean, sorry, we have the rally, then the accumulation. Now, what did price do? If I'm to zoom in, you're going to see that price actually manipulated the sell. All right. Now, take a good look at this. You see this, which you can also call equal low liquidity. All right. You can also refer to it as equal low liquidity. Now, you see that. All right. You see the top here. Okay. You see the top here. Now, what did price do? You see, a rally, it consolidated. What did price do? Accumulation here. Next, it manipulated here, grabbing sell side liquidity, mitigating the point of interest here, and then currently it's going bullish. A rally base for entries, manipulation, price grabs liquidity, and then it goes bullish. All right. Now, another way to actually enter this kind of a setup again is that when price eventually breaks above this high here, okay, to continue the rally, usually it will come back for a retest and then it continues to goes up. Now that retest now can be a re-entry for you. Okay, that retest now can be a re-entry for you. So you see, you've been able to trade the rally base rally. If I should go back to XAUUSD, you know, XAU has been trending for a while and it has just been forming that pattern. It has just been forming that pattern. Now, same thing also happened here. All right, same thing happened here also. You see, we have what? We have the rally here. We have the rally. We have the base. Okay, and then we have the rally again. All right. Now, in this scenario, you see what price did? It came back. It broke outside of this base. All right. It came back, mitigated this, or rather retested this point of interest here, and then it kept on buying. Okay, it kept on buying. If I should go back again, you are gonna see a lot of these setups, guys. We are going to see same thing happened here. A rally, sorry, we had what? The rally, we had the accumulation here. We had what? Liquidity sweep, mitigated this point of interest. I think we got this buy on my VIP. Yes, we did. We got this buy. It accumulated, it manipulated, mitigated this point of interest, and then it continued going bullish. Let me show you where this setup. We took this setup on my VIP, and let me show you the setup. Let me show you the setup. We took it on my VIP. We did. This should be it right here. This should be it right here. Yes, exactly. This is the setup right here. You see, we took the buy here. All right. We took the buy and then we went in deep profits. Okay. So going back to the chart now. All right. Going back to the chart, you can see accumulation, price grab, liquidity, mitigated point of interest, and then it continued the rally. Now, let me talk about the rally base drop. Now, what is that rally base drop? That rally base drop usually occurs in cases of reversals. All right. It usually occurs in cases of reversals, and I'm going to show you on what's it called? This is another example of rally base rally here again. See it here. You see rally. You see what happened here? You see this movement here? It broke out, came back, retested here, and then it bought. It still occurred here again. It broke its sorry, this is the rally, this is the accumulation here, the base, and then this is the rally. So rally, base, rally. You get the point. Rally, it accumulated, all right, it accumulated, and then it broke out. You get the point. It broke out. Now, let me talk about the rally base drop. Okay, I think I saw it. It happened on USD JPY, if not mistaken. It happened on USD JPY. I think it was the base for that massive buy that we had on USD/JPY. Let me check the 4-hour time frame. Okay, it was the base. Okay, I'm gonna view from the 1-hour time frame right now. So it was the base. It was the base. It was the base. All right. If not mistaken. Okay, now this is it right here. You can see a rally, base, rally. Sorry. Yes, rally base drop. Now this is the inverse. Okay. Let me explain what I'm trying to say now. This is the inverse. This is a rally. Sorry, this is a rally base drop. Okay. You can also have the direct inverse, which is what the drop base. Okay, drop base rally. So this is from an uptrend turning to a downtrend, and this is for a downtrend turning to an uptrend. All right. Now, for this that is USD/JPY, we had what the drop base rally. Okay, drop base rally, drop base rally. Now, even when you go down to the 15 minutes time frame, you're going to actually find out that when you go to the 15 minutes time frame, you're going to actually find out that price did something really interesting. And what did price do? Price did the rally base drop. It's funny, ain't it? Price did what? This is what? This is the rally. This is the base. All right. Base and then drop. You see it? Now, what did price do before even dropping? Price had to sweep liquidity. Price had to sweep liquidity. You see what happened here? Maybe you don't see it. Let me zoom in for you. See what happened here? See this sweep here? Swept this liquidity, mitigated this point of interest. Of course, when you go down to the 5 minutes time frame, you're going to see that we have a point of interest right here. This indecision candlestick, all right? Or rather, this candlestick wick, whatever you want to call it. So price grabbed buy side liquidity here, equal high liquidity, grabbed it, mitigated this point of interest here, and then it sold. All right. So you see, this is what this is rally base drop. Now, this is rally base rally. You get the point. You see, a rally base rally. Now, let me explain. This can actually form in two ways. Okay, this can either form in a rectangle form or in a triangle form. What I mean is, it can form like this. It can form like this. It can form like this. Okay, and then it buys up. Now, this is what this is a triangle. This is the rectangle. Let's say the rectangle form, and then it can also form in form of a triangle, whereby it forms like this. Okay, it forms something like this, exactly, something like this. Then where you now have what looks like a triangle. Okay, where you now have what looks like a triangle, but it's still the same rally base rally. Okay, and same thing too, you can also have rally base drop. Okay, same thing, guys. You can also have rally base drop, the same thing. All right, so now how do you know whether it's going to be a rally based rally or a rally based drop? I'm going to be telling you that in the next video. So if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, give me a subscribe, give me a like, and drop a comment. All right. So I'm going to be posting and I'm going to be teaching you that in the next video. So until I catch you in my next video, have a happy learning, happy trading. I wish you a profitable trading time. It's your favorite trader, King Wesley. And before I sign out, you can also send me a message on WhatsApp to stay connected with me, all right, where I post valuable trading insight and tips. Trust me, you're going to get a lot of value by trading with me. And just in case you want to get trading signals from me, you can also send me a DM on WhatsApp, or you can simply join my Telegram channel and send me a DM from there, and I'm going to be active to reply your messages. All right, so until I see you in my next video, once again, happy trading and happy learning. And it's your trader, King Wesley, speaking now. Signing out.